Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to earn money for Quora, and there's actually two ways. One is Quora Plus right here, and the other one is joining the Quora monetization program, the partner program. Okay, and you can actually earn a decent money from this. As you can see, this is the partner program. And what you do, guys, to join, you just come here, click on your profile icon, and then you click on monetization right here. Okay, enter your country, and then you can go ahead and submit. Okay, and if it is available in your country, then they will go ahead and reach out to you and get you notified about the partner program and what you're supposed to do. But basically, what happens is you get paid for asking high quality questions. Okay, so that is what you're getting paid for when you get more eyeballs. And the other one, guys, is answering questions. When you answer questions, I suggest answering questions with a lot of following. Okay, questions that have a lot of following, for example, if I come here to my homepage, okay, and if I find a question, I can go ahead and follow that specific question if I want the answer to that. Okay, for example, here, if I follow this one, right? If I don't know the answer to this, I can click on follow, and when someone answers that question, I will get notified. So that's one way, right? You go ahead and answer questions that have a lot of followers. They're likely to get eyeballs. Of course, another one, guys, will be Quora Plus. Now, what this is, okay, is you go ahead and subscribe to Quora Plus. It's a subscription-based service. And if you're a contributor on Quora and your content, for example, your answers, are behind the Quora Plus paywall, you can basically earn money based on how much your content is read by Quora Plus subscribers. Okay, so you have to first join Quora Plus to actually be eligible, and then when Quora Plus subscribers see your content, then you earn money from that. Okay, now I'll give you some extra tips. You want to target recent questions as well. Just filter them by the past day, past week, so you can get the latest questions that do not have many answers yet. Okay, and that should be getting you on your way to make money with Quora. And it's really that easy and simple.